BitWallet app: the pros, the cons. When it comes to simplicity and security in crypto storage, BitWallet is one of those apps that keeps things clean and professional. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of the BitWallet app and what you should know before using it. First, the pros. BitWallet is known for its speed and reliability. It's a lightweight app designed for both beginners and experienced users who want to store and send Bitcoin safely without all the clutter. The interface is minimalistic, easy to navigate, and works smoothly on both Android and iOS devices. One of its biggest advantages is that BitWallet is a non-custodial wallet. That means you, and only you, hold your private keys. The company never has access to your funds, which gives you full control and security over your Bitcoin. It's perfect for users who don't want to rely on centralized exchanges or third-party platforms. BitWallet also supports instant transactions. You can send or receive Bitcoin across the globe with just a few taps, and the app automatically adjusts transaction fees based on current network congestion, saving time and frustration. Security is a key selling point too. The app uses strong encryption and does collect unnecessary user data. There is no registration, no kick, and no personal information required to create a wallet. It's privacy first by design. But what about the cons? The biggest limitation is that BitWallet currently supports only Bitcoin. If you're a multi-chain investor who holds Ethereum, Solana, or other tokens, you'll need separate wallets. Another drawback is its simplicity. While that's great for some users, others may find it lacking in advanced features like staking, DeFi access, or multi-signature security. In short, BitWallet is ideal for people who want a fast, private, and reliable way to manage Bitcoin. It's not the most feature-packed wallet out there, but it nails what it promises: simplicity and security. If you're focused purely on Bitcoin and value control over convenience, BitWallet might just be the clean, no-nonsense solution you've been looking for.